Hello guys, in this video we're going to solve 8k value data, which we solved it recently, but in this session I want to rewrite the solution in a more developed way, and you can see our past solution here, which take this 3 argument and compare the difference between the quantities of A and B and quantity of margin. So this was our solution. Now we want to write this solution in one line, okay? Because in exercising and learning programming, one of the best way is to develop our solution in better way. So take a look at the Stack Overflow, and you can search one line conditional and just okay, one line conditional construct in Python, and what we have, just in Google, one line conditional. Okay, look at here and you can find the structure. So let's conditional, the syntax of one line conditional. And it's where is, look at here, and first of all, condition 2 is evaluated. If returned true, then expression 2 is returned. If condition 2 return false, then condition 1 is evaluated. So look at the example. Okay, look at here. First we had if a greater than 7 I5, else I equal to 0. And if we want to write it in one line, we write A if conditional statement, else B. Okay, and That's it. I explain it here better. First we comment all of it and return 0 if a minus b less or equal than the margin. Okay, else instead of elif we use else if. Else -1 means it returns -1 if a less or equal than b. Else the last condition return 1, and we wrote the return first and don't need write it again. Okay, return 0 if a b is a minus b less than margin, else -1 if a less than equal than b, else 1. Okay, just write it yourself and you can find the way. Okay, just test the solution and it's correct. Attempt. And that's it. So one thing which with it you can improve your programming skills is to rewrite some solvation, the solution of your last or past exercise and problems, and rewrite them with simplest code. Okay, that is the great way to improve your skills. So do it yourself and good luck.